1. Which of the following is the correct way to declare a function in Python? A. Function myfunc. B. Def myfunction. C. Func myfunc dot. D. Declare myfunction. 2. What will be the output of print type x in Python? A. Class tuple. E. Class list. C. Class dict. D. Class set. 3. Which of the following data types is immutable in Python? A. List. B. Dictionary. C. Tuple. D. Set. 4. What is the output of bool 0? A. True. B. False. C. None. D. Error. 5. Which of the following is used to create a virtual environment in Python 3? A. Pip install venv. B. Python 3 mvenv env. C. Create venenv. D. Python 3 venv. 6. What will be the result of 3 times ABC? A. B. C. 3. B. Absacab. C. Error. D. 3 ABC. 7. Which of the following is not a Python keyword? A. Finally. B. Assert. C. Include. D. With. 8. How do you insert an element at the end of a Python list? A. List insert. B. List.add. C. List.append. List push. 9. Which operator is used for floor division in Python? A. Double // B. // C. %. D. Double asterisk. 10. Which of the following statements about Python dictionaries is correct? A. Keys can be mutable. B. Keys must be unique. C. Values must be unique. D. Keys can be lists. 11. What does the len function return when applied to a dictionary? A. The number of values. B. The number of keys. C. The number of key-value pairs. D. The total memory used. 12. Which of the following is the correct way to import the math module? A. Import math. B. Include math. C. Require math. D. Load math. 13. What will be the output of print 2 to the power of 3? A. 6. B. 8. C. 9. D. 5. 14. Which method is used to remove white space from the beginning and end of a string? A. Strip. B. Trim. C. Clean. E. Remove. 15. What is the output of type? A. Class list. B. Class dict. C. Class set. D. Class tuple. 16. Which of the following functions can be used to display the current working directory? A. os_dir. B. os.getCwd. C. syscwd. D. ospath. 17. What is the output of bool false.solls? A. True. B. False. C. None. D. Error. 18. Which function is used to open a file in Python? A. Open. B. File. C. Fopen. D. Read. 19. Which of the following correctly creates a set in Python? A. 1, 2, 3. B. 1, 2, 3. C. 1, 2, 3. D. 1, 2, 3. 20. Which function is used to return the length of a string in Python? A. Count. B. Length. C. Len. D. Size. 21. What is the correct syntax for a for loop in Python? A. For I equals 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. B. For I in range 5. C. Loop I from 0 to 5. D. For I equals 0 to 5. 22. What will be the result of print 5 equals 5.0? A. True. B. False. C. None. D. Error. 23. Which built-in function can convert a string into a list of characters? A. List. B. Char. C. Str. D. Split. 24. How do you check the data type of a variable x? A. Data type. B. Type. C. Check type. D. Type of. 25. Which of the following statements about Python sets is true? A. Sets are ordered. B. Sets allow duplicate elements. C. Sets are mutable. D. Sets can contain lists. 26. What is the output of print hello lower? A. Hello. B. Hello. C. Hello. D. Error. 27. Which keyword is used to define an anonymous function in Python? A. Func. B. Define. C. Lambda. D. Anon. 28. Which of the following methods is used to combine two lists? A. List1 plus list2. B. List1.append list2. C. List1.add list2. D. List1.join list2. 29. What will be the result of print 10% 3? A. 3. B. 1. C. 0.3. D. 10. 30. Which exception is raised when dividing by 0 in Python? A. Division error. B. Zero division error. C. Arithmetic error. D. Value error. 31. Which method is used to return the index of the first occurrence of a value in a list? A. Index. B. Find. C. Locate. D. Search. 32. Which of the following is a correct way to create a tuple with a single element? A. 5. B. 5. C. 5. D. 5. 33. What is the default mode when opening a file using Open File Text? A. Write. B. Append. C. Read. D. Binary. 34. Which of the following is used to install external packages in Python? A. Install package. B. Pip. C. Python package. D. Import. 35. What is the output of print Python /-1? A. Python. B. Notheme. C. Error. D. Pytho. 36. Which of the following is not a valid Python data type? A. Boolean. E. Character. C. Integer. D. String. 37. What will be the result of print 4 is not equal to 5? A. True. B. False. C. None. D. Error. 38. Which of the following is the correct syntax for a while loop in Python? A. While x equals 5. B. While x equals 5. C. While x equals 5, then. D. Do while x is less than 5. 39. What will be the result of len 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? A. 4. E. 5. C. 6. D. Error. 40. Which function is used to get user input in Python 3? A. Input. B. Get. C. Readline. D. Scan. 41. Which of the following methods can be used to sort a list in ascending order? A. Sort. B. Order. C. Arrange. D. Sorted list. 42. What will be the output of print type of 1, comma? A. Class tuple. B. Class list. C. Class int. D. Class set. 43. Which keyword is used in Python to handle exceptions? A. Handle. B. Except. C. Catch. D. Error. 44. What will be the result of print len set 1, 2, 2, 3, 4? A. 5. B. 3. C. 4. D. Error. 45. Which method can be used to convert a string 123 into an integer? A. Stir 123. B. Int 123. C. Float 123. D. Number 123.